Bike needs a clean badly. There's a lot of midges. So, I need to nip to Annan. Well, about, I suppose I'll get some fuel and then happy days. It's warm today, like. It's been a really lovely evening. I hope it stays like this all weekend. Every time I close my lid, I get an itchy nose. Without fail, every single time. I can't get it from the bottom anymore because I've got a microphone in there. So I need to open up. Have a wee itch of the nose. We might take the low road to Annan and then the high road back. That'll be a nice wee run. It shouldn't be a very long one either. Fuck me, I can't see. That's a strong sunlight. Thank God it's behind me now. Go on, you happy little dog. Happy feet, you got happy feet. With lovely camping weather. Not a lovely camping bike, but lovely camping weather. Because there's barely any wind. I don't see any midges on my helmet yet. Maybe it's too warm for even them. Oh, my wee nose is itchy again. What is it? Is it because I'm breathing in my helmet? And it just, I don't know, the air bounces round. Comes right on the tip of my nose. It makes it itchy. Hello, cows. Lockhart's Farm. I don't actually think I've been in there. That's a lie, I think I've been in there once. I may have been drunk though, so I can't remember what the inside looks like. Flee, seagulls, flee! Why is there so many around here? Did you come to see me? Can I even go in here? Is this allowed? If it's not, I am still here, so we will see. Tell you what, every time you get off this bike, you feel out of breath. Maybe that's where the exercise is. Oh, premium unleaded. That's what we need. My nose is blocked again. What's that? 15 quid? Just over 2 gallon. God, I need to find out how many miles per gallon I actually get in this thing. I know it's not a fucking lot. There we go. We've got a full tank, so we'll find out, I suppose. What have you got round here, seagulls? Why is it round? God, I'm warming out of breath. I've done nothing. Genuinely sweating. I think I need to get some summer gear. Look at this 2-piece with the 360 zip. It's thick as fuck. Good if you come off. Terrible in this weather. Well, not terrible. Warm. We should all go. Something tells me not to trust this driver. Maybe it was a little excursion over the line for no reason. They were some lovely looking dogs. A German Shepherd and a Savoy, maybe? I know 2 dog breeds. Bernese Mountain Dog and Border Collie. And St. Bernard. Let's call it 3. We used to just go blasting about in the cars and the bikes, but as we get older, work takes up more of our time. We get out less and less. It really is a nice. Don't give me the hiccups now. That looks gravelly. Let's behave. It's like the perfect day for going out riding. Oh, tractor, imagine my surprise. I don't know how midges managed to get my helmet. If I manage to drain the tank tonight, it'll be about 35 miles, and that would be an issue. This looks like newbie, and I've got an itchy nose again. Let's us here. Let's us hit Annan. Got a fair bit of bunting up, I wonder. Oh yeah, it was right in the matches last weekend, wasn't it? I was meant to go to it, but I didn't. I do kinda need a drink though. Well, I was just praising the midges for not being out in force, and then I looked at my camera changing the batteries, and whack, bang, right in the middle. Big dirty dead midgie. So hopefully it's not ruined my footage. Oh, itchy face. Not itchy face, itchy nose. Again, itchy nose. I don't get an itchy nose when I'm driving the car. Maybe it's because I can't itch my nose right. My body's like, hey, get it up, ye. You know what? There's two wee flaps here. I bet you one of them keeps touching the end of my nose. In my eyes. Oh, got my wee hat. Not very good, but it's there. How many of the roadworks are still here? Quite exposed, and I do appreciate having a little sun back now. However, still can't see nothing with the sun setting. I wonder what they're actually doing here, because they've been here for absolutely donkeys. I don't feel like they've got any work done. And I can't see shit! Genuinely can't see anything because of that sun. There we go, I can see again. I know some people in them cars are going to be absolutely livid. They just get stuck in traffic and they get stuck in big long queues and you can just glide up the side of it. And they're sitting there going, no, you skipped the queue! No, I got that right vehicle for the job, even though I can't see anything right now. And you are very blinding. I don't think there's any reprieve from you right now. I don't see any clouds that are going to stop you. If you pull out onto a 60 road, it's probably courtesy to go 60. Is that a wagon carrying a wagon? We're showing off rural Scotland here at its finest. And the south of Scotland as well. Fairly flat when I actually look at it from here. Doesn't look half bad from up here. It's not bad being out on the bikes, especially in the summer nights. MMs and sheep. A crowded field, isn't it? It was a bit of a spur of the moment thing, just getting a bike again. One of my mates spotted it and went, you want one of them, don't you? I went, yeah, message him and asked him if it's still there. And it was, so we went and picked it up that night. It's been serviced, I've spent an absolute fortune on gear. It's already my most expensive hobby, and I used to play Warhammer. That is a fucking wadge, that hobby. Bugger off, seagulls. What are yous all doing here? Have yous just started getting some sort of fetish for the road? There's nothing to eat down there. But yous were doing the same in Tesco. You're as bad as the sheep. All your food's elsewhere, but all you want to do is walk on the road. Is it you got that's responsible for the bloody potholes round here? These are some big ass seagulls like. I think it's fairly safe to say when I'm keeping it sensible, the mile per gallon's alright. Are you there? No. There she is. Did you not hear me the day, Maple? Heya. Heya. I'll be up in a sec. Heya. 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 Are you excited for it? Eh? Got what you've done to my fence? Hey, good girl. Hey, thank you for closing the gate and headbutting my camera and stuff. Good girl. Hmm? I've only been away an hour. Hey Shirley, how are you? Sorry, this one won't let me near you. Hey, cookie. Hey, good girl, eh? Go on, play together.